of balance found in you kind of music, and they decided to call it jazz. Now what the sound has, what this music has. Before they knew it, it was whizzing round the world. The world was ready for a blue kind of music, and now they play it from Steamboat Springs to La